Welcome to the Learning Adda, a path to success. In a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Tom. Tom was full of dreams, but his biggest dream was to become a scientist. He was fascinated by the stars, plants, and everything around him. His curiosity knew no bounds, but there was one problem: Tom struggled with schoolwork. He often found it hard to understand his lessons, especially math and science. Tom's parents were farmers, and they worked hard every day to provide for the family. They loved Tom dearly and wanted him to succeed, but they didn't know how to help him with his studies. Tom would spend hours trying to solve math problems or understand a science concept, but no matter how hard he tried, he always felt like he was falling behind. One day, Tom's teacher, Mr. Adams, noticed that Tom was having a tough time. Mr. Adams was a kind and patient teacher who always encouraged his students. After class, he asked Tom to stay behind and talk to him. "Tom," Mr. Adams said gently, "I can see that you're trying very hard, but sometimes we all need a little help. Success isn't about getting everything right the first time, it's about learning, growing, and never giving up." Tom felt a bit better after talking to Mr. Adams. From that day on, Mr. Adams spent extra time with Tom after school. He explained things in a way that Tom could understand, and slowly, Tom began to improve. Tom realized that success wasn't just about being smart, it was about perseverance. Every time he faced a difficult problem, he reminded himself of Mr. Adams' words. He started studying more at home, practicing math problems, and reading books about science. He asked questions whenever he didn't understand something, even if it meant staying up late or getting up early. As months went by, Tom's hard work began to pay off. His grades improved, and he became more confident. His classmates noticed the change and started looking up to him. Some even asked for his help with their own schoolwork. Tom was happy to help because he knew how it felt to struggle. After finishing school, Tom went to university to study science. University was challenging, but Tom was determined. He faced new obstacles, but he always kept going. He spent long hours in the library, doing experiments and learning everything he could. Years later, Tom became a scientist, just as he had always dreamed. He returned to his village and started working on ways to improve farming methods, helping his parents and other farmers. The villagers were proud of Tom, and his parents couldn't have been happier. One day, Tom met a young boy in the village who was struggling with school, just as he once did. The boy was discouraged and felt like giving up. Tom knelt down beside him and said, "I was once in your shoes. Success is not about how quickly you learn, but about how much you're willing to try. Keep going, and you'll find your way." Tom began to mentor the boy, just as Mr. Adams had mentored him. With time, the boy began to improve, and Tom saw himself in the boy's journey. He realized that true success wasn't just about achieving his own dreams, it was about helping others achieve theirs. And so, Tom's journey to success continued, as he inspired others to chase their dreams, work hard, and never give up. The village, once small and quiet, became a place full of hope and possibility, all thanks to Tom's perseverance and the lessons he had learned along the way. Thank you for the watching.